Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. So this afternoon, guys, we're going to read the topic which is Windows Basic. But before that, guys, you gonna subscribe my YouTube channel. Those who are very new in my channel, guys, you gotta subscribe, share, like, and hit notification bells, guys, so that updated videos as notification. So today's topic, guys, is Windows Basic. So we have here the objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe the computer desktop. Then identify the different parts of a window. And number 3, know the common mouse operations. Okay. So do you know what are the parts of desktop? Next question, what are the parts of a window? And next question, how do you use the mouse? Let us find out, guys. The desktop. The first screen you see when you turn on your computer is called the desktop. It is the background for all programs, and it contains the icons or options needed to access those programs. The desktop, guys, is covered with a pattern or picture called a wallpaper. The wallpaper, guys, serves as the backdrop of your work area. It can be changed to a different color, pattern, or picture. Okay. So we have here the icons. Icons, what is the meaning of icons? Icons are small pictures on the desktop that represent file and programs. Double clicking on an icon runs a program or opens a file. Right clicking on an icon opens a menu offering options and commands. You can put other icons on the desktop that will let you quickly access programs or files. You can also move and arrange icons in order or in any order by clicking and dragging them. So we have icon, my documents, my computer, my network, places, recycle bin, and Internet Explorer. Those are what we call icons. Okay, we have the taskbar. At the bottom edge of the screen is a long, thin bar with a box labeled start on one end and a clock on the other end. This is the taskbar. It helps you access programs and files. You may see icons on the taskbars too. These are called quick launch icons. They allow one-click access to frequently used programs. Right. Next, guys, we have the start menu. When you click on the start button, the start menu appears. The menu contains several choices. Some choices have arrows next to them, which means that those choices have other menus. The following are the basic start menu options. Number 1, all programs. All programs accesses installed programs. Number 2, my recent documents accesses the most recently opened documents. Number 3 is control panel. Provides options for changing the appearance and functions of the computer. Number 4, guys, we have the research. Searches for specific files or folders. Number 5, help and support. The function is offers help topics and tips about computer use. Number 6 is run. Allows users to input commands to access specific programs. Number 7 is turn off computer. Lets you put the computer at standby mode, shut it down, or restart it. We have here the Windows. Many programs and applications run within Windows. Windows are rectangles on the screen that can be maximized, minimized, resized, and closed. At the end of each window, guys, is a title bar that contains the title of the file, program, or folder. To the right of the title bar are the control menu buttons. The close button allows you to close the window. The restore button allows you to return the window to its previous size. The minimize button removes the window from the screen but keeps the program running. A minimize window appears as a button on the taskbar. To restore a minimize window, simply click on its button. So it is also possible to have several windows open at once and line up in the cascades, meaning one in front of the other. So the active window is always in front. Okay, next we have the menus. In the Windows operating system, each window contains its own menu. Found just under the title bar is the menu bar containing the names of the different menus. Click on the menus and drop down list of options and actions will appear. Will appear here is File, Edit, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Table, Window, Help. Those are the actions will appear. Here are some basic examples of menus. Number 1 is File. File contains the options like New, Open, Close, and Print. Number 2 is Edit. Edit contains editing options like Undo, Cut, Copy, Paste, and Clear. Number 3 is View. Contains options for changing how things appear on the screen. Number 4 is Help. Help contains options for accessing tutorials or helpful information. Okay, so we have here the toolbar. Under the menu, guys, we have the menu bar. You will often find a toolbar. It is a bar of icons or options that allow you to quickly perform specific actions. Okay, scroll bars. In the main body of the window is the work space where you type, draw, and do other activities. On the right and bottom sides are the scroll bars. The scroll bars appear when the information or contents are too long to fit within a window. Moving the scroll bar up and down, or left and right, allows you to see all the information. So the picture below shows where the scroll bars are. Using the mouse. A mouse lets you select and move objects on the screen. When you move the mouse, the pointer on the screen moves in the same direction. So the pointer assumes different shapes depending on its location on the screen and the task you are performing. Okay, here are some of the most common mouse operations. We have the point. Point, move the mouse until the mouse pointer is at the desired location on the screen. We have the click. Press and release the left mouse button, that is click. We have the right click. Press and release the right mouse button. Double click. Press and release the left mouse button twice rapidly. Drag and drop. When the mouse pointer is over the appropriate object, press and hold down the left mouse button. Drag the object to the proper location on the screen by moving the mouse and then drop the object by releasing the mouse button. A scroll wheel or button. If your mouse has a wheel or button on top of it, use the wheel or button to scroll through the displayed document. Okay, can you do this, guys? We have an activity. So matching type. Match the functions in column A with the menus in column B. So write your letter of your answer. Number 1 here is offer help topics and tips about computer use. Number 2 looks for specific files or folders. Number 3 provides options for changing the computer's appearance. Number 4 accesses installed programs. And number 5 accesses the most recently opened documents. In column B, we have A, my recent documents. B, help and support. C, all programs. D, search. E, control panel, and letter F run. Okay, you can just match those guys. Another activity 2, identification. Identify the following. Write your answer in the blank. It is the background for all programs that contains icons or options needed to access those programs. Okay, what is the answer? Number 2, these are small pictures on the desktop that represent files and programs. Okay, number 3, these are the rectangles on the screen that can be opened, minimized, resize, and close. The number 4, guys, it contains the title of the file, program, or folder. The number 5, it is a long thin bar with a box label start on the one and end and flat on the other one. So if you are viewing this whole video, so you can be able to answer easily, guys. So that's all for this afternoon. The topic which is the window basic. So you're gonna subscribe my YouTube channel, guys. Those are new, you can click the button, and so that all of my videos that you can see, guys. So thank you. Be careful in your way.